The National Weather Service in Chicago, Illinois has issued a tornado warning for North Central DeKalb County in North Central Illinois, Southeast Wood County in North Central Illinois, McHenry County in Southeastern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 11:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kirkland, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The tornado will be near DeKalb around 1:30 p.m., Kirkland around 1:40 p.m., Belvedere around 2:20 p.m. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement or interior room on the lowest floor. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it's may too late to get in a safe place. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: DeKalb, Boone, and McHenry.